Well, here we are back on the ASK-13. It's running out of things to do on the wings. I've since gone through and made sure there's a hole in every rib to make sure that the pressure, because it gets pretty hot here in Australia, make sure the pressure can escape and not build up and bulge the covering. Shaping. I've been working on getting a better fit for the spoilers. I think that's working well now. That's top and bottom, both sides. So gone through again every joint. But at the moment, well, on the next step is I've got the wing root on the fuselage taped up and waxed, ready to put some colloquially known as splooge in between the wing and the fuselage, and then squeeze them together. And then I'm running out of reasons why not to cover the wings. So that's where I'm up to at this point in time. Nothing else to report, I don't believe. I've got some more. Soft touch lining from Spotlight. $4.20 Australian. You can work that out to American for a linear meter, and it's 1.45 wide, I think. Yeah, 1.45 wide, $4.20. That was with a, for those in Australia, Spotlight is a VIP, was a VIP membership special for which my better half is a VIP member, so I utilised that. Went back to get some more because I've actually got 3 rather large planes to cover with the soft touch liner. Getting a little off track here, but up there is a 1/3 scale KA7, and of course the emerald with the wings. The wings are up there, so we should 40% emerald. So I don't think 15 meters will be enough to do all 3 planes, and I was going to go and get some more while it was on special, but I missed it. Never mind. I'll just patiently wait now for it to come back on the VIP special. Still really impressed with this. I mean, if I had a composite unit that weighed as little as this and sounded like this, I mean, that's just so cool. Where's me? Oh, sorry. I've lost my gadget, but anyway, you get the idea. It's just gone drum tight. So that was convincing. I've got some more of that. That's it. Running out of things to say now. 4 minutes. That'll do. Over and out.